Alright boys, now here I am stress testing this little build here, and well, I was looking at this GPU, which is an R7 370. I was thinking, well, it really looks kinda ugly, so I guess we'll just paint it. Let's get right into it. And here we are. It just took a couple of screws and now we can finally remove the shroud, which is this one. And that's what we're gonna paint. Now this is the actual card. As you can see, it's a blower style, so it's very basic. Just we have this single fan blowing air through this way. And well, I believe I leave this one black, but I might also do it white just in case. And well, taking a look at the shroud, we can see that we have this little sticker here, so we'll leave it there because that will help us with the painting. And I will probably put some duct tape here so that I can keep the radio writing. Well, now let's get into the actual painting. Alright guys, now here we are with the actual painting. I covered the logo with a little bit of duct tape, not the best way to do it, but it's gonna be effective. And now, let's get into the actual spray painting. As you can see, this time we are not on the grass, so I hope that people will be happy about it. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, now we're just gonna let it dry up for a bit and then we'll see how it came out. And yeah, it's really a cheap heatsink. Let's go and repaste it. Alright boys, and now it's the moment that everyone was waiting for, the time to apply thermal paste. We nearly finished this broken tube. So we should have like right the, you know, the quantity for this one. There we go. Of course, we are going spreading method, especially because as a heatsink we have this block of aluminum, so it's not gonna spread it well, I guess. You know, you want it to have a decent degree of contact. Alright. Yep, that should be about it. Just swiftly slap this aluminum block all over it. And there we go. Now we're just gonna apply the screws back. Alright guys, now here we are after it dried up. Not my best paint job, mostly because I tried to apply a transparent coat, and while I was doing it, like a fly got over there, so you had to like redo the paint, and so it wasn't the best. But anyway, let's peel it off. Alright, and you thought it was finished, huh? Jesus, how am I gonna peel this one off? Come on! Alright, good. And here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna, you know, make it a little bit cleaner here, but it looks kinda nice so far. And yeah, apparently it's not completely dry, but yeah, I mean, I'll work on it a little bit and then we'll come back. Well guys, this is how it actually came out. As you can see, I kinda cleaned a little bit. You know, the paint, it still isn't the best, but I mean, it's looking kinda nice, not gonna lie. I kinda dig the look. And yeah, the back plate is still black though, and I'm gonna leave it like that. So now, this one is gonna go inside this build, and yeah, let me know what you think about it, this whole white, black and red theme. I kinda dig it, to be honest, not gonna lie.